How to check vanilla gift card balance 2025 method. You won't believe how many people lose money simply because they check their gift card balance the wrong way. The surprising truth is that scammers now create fake balance check websites that look identical to the real ones. The safest way to check your balance is to use the official vanilla gift card phone number on the back of your card or the secure web portal printed on the packaging. Never scan QR codes or click balance check links from messages or emails. Once you enter your card number and security code, your balance will display instantly. Check your balance immediately after purchase and keep your receipt. Verdict: always verify your balance using official channels only.